Now we will understand the overflow CSS rule. When content is bigger than block or container, we use overflow rule, or the CSS overflow property controls what happened to content that is too big to fit into an area, or specifies whether to clip the content or to add scroll bar when the content at an element is too big to fit in the specified area. Let's get started. To understand it better, let's create one div with ID. This is the shortcut to create div with ID in Visual Studio. Just enter and write the dummy content. Go to style sheet, target ID, overflow, give some background color, and border. Here it is. This is the output. We give border to understand it better, and to understand overflow, give width 5 px and height around 300 pixels. Now see the result. Oh, what went wrong? But that the spelling of that is not correct. Here it is. This is the main output. This is our div with width 500 px and height 300 px, and content just go out of the main div. So now we will understand the overflow, or we can say it just overflowed from the main div. So to use the overflow, just write overflow and use value hidden. Just see the result. Yes. Now only this is the only visual part, and the rest of the area or rest of the content has been hidden. And if you do scroll, a scroll will be added. Yes, like this. We also have auto or visible. It is a visible actually, overflow visible. Visible is the default property, and we have two main other two overflow sub properties like overflow acts, overflow by. You can hide the hidden, the by axis. See, this portion has been hide by using the overflow y. You can also add a scroll, so it will scroll to the only y axis. You can also change it to x, and now see the result. A scroll will be added to the x axis. This is the x-axis, and you can hide overflow x. Now only by axis will be visible. Just by like this. A scroll will be added to the y-axis and x-axis will be hidden. This is, let's see, yes, x-axis has been hidden and visibility is only y-axis. X-axis adjust itself, but if you have some image or anything or video, you need to use both overflow y and x. And we have one more value for overflow rule, that is auto. Let's see the difference. It is automatically adjusted. As I just said that x-axis is automatically adjusted, so it is not showing the x-axis. Thank you.